Ever feel like your home is working against you rather than for you? Like you're living in a chaotic mess rather than a harmonious haven? A cluttered home can feel like a relentless adversary, a never-ending battle against disarray. It's all too familiar. That sinking feeling when you open a cupboard door, only to be greeted by a landslide of mismatched Tupperware. Or that moment of frustration when you can't find that one tool you need, lost in a sea of odds and ends. The chaos of clutter isn't just about a messy home. It's about the stress it causes, the discomfort it brings. It's the constant visual reminder of tasks left undone, the nagging feeling of being overwhelmed. But here's the good news. You're not alone in this struggle, and it's a battle that can certainly be won. Well, fret no more. Today, we're going to take a journey together to transform your cluttered chaos into an organized oasis. Imagine two homes. One is cluttered, with stuff strewn everywhere. The other is neat, everything in its place. Which one do you think functions better? Let's take a journey through these two homes, shall we? Picture the first home, a place where the clutter has claimed its territory. The living room, a battlefield strewn with toys, discarded clothes, and random knickknacks. The kitchen, a maze of dishes piled high, counters littered with unopened mail, and a fridge filled with expired food. The bedroom, a personal sanctuary, reduced to a storage unit for things that might come in handy someday. The chaos not only overwhelms the senses, but also hinders the flow of daily life. Finding a single sock could turn into a full-blown archaeological dig. Now, let's journey to the second home, a place where order reigns supreme. The living room, a tranquil space where each item has its own designated place. The kitchen, a culinary stage where clean counters make meal prep a breeze. And the fridge is a curated collection of fresh, healthy ingredients. The bedroom, a serene retreat where clothes are neatly folded and items are stored with purpose, not just shoved out of sight. The order brings calm and daily tasks flow with ease. Every single sock has its mate. These two homes, they might seem like two different worlds, but they could very well be the same house, just at different stages of organization. The cluttered home, it's not a lost cause. It's a project waiting to happen, a diamond in the rough. The organized home isn't a fantasy, it's an achievable reality. It's the product of time, effort, and a few clever organization strategies. The difference is clear, isn't it? A cluttered home can lead to a cluttered mind, while an organized home can foster efficiency, peace, and even a sense of joy. So, are you ready to transform your space into an organized, functional haven? Let's dive into how you can do just that. Ever heard of the saying, less is more? When it comes to home organization, this couldn't be more true. Welcome to the magic of minimalism, a concept that's all about embracing the beauty of simplicity and creating space for what really matters. Now, what exactly is minimalism? In a nutshell, it's a lifestyle that encourages us to live with less. Less clutter, less chaos, less unnecessary stuff. It's about letting go of the excess and keeping only what we need or love. But don't misconstrue this as a call to renounce all worldly possessions and live like a hermit. Far from it. Minimalism is about creating a balance, a home that is functional yet serene, stylish yet uncluttered. So, why should we embrace minimalism in our homes? Well, imagine a home where every item has a place and a purpose. A home where you're not constantly tripping over toys or rummaging through drawers trying to find that elusive set of keys. A home where you can actually relax and enjoy your space instead of feeling overwhelmed by it. Sounds dreamy, right? That's the power of minimalism, but it's not just about the aesthetics or peace of mind. Having fewer possessions to manage can save you a significant amount of time and energy. Think about it. Less cleaning, less organizing, less time spent maintaining and repairing stuff. You can spend this newfound time doing things you love, with the people you love. And let's not forget, minimalism is also a great way to reduce our environmental footprint. By purchasing only what we need, we can cut down on waste and contribute to a more sustainable world. So, minimalism is not just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice that can lead to a more functional home, a calmer mind, and a greener planet. And remember, the goal isn't to live with as little as possible, but to make room for what truly adds value to your life. So, are you ready to embrace less for more peace of mind and a more functional home? Now that we understand the power of minimalism, let's explore some practical steps to achieving an organized home. First and foremost, let's embark on a decluttering journey. Decluttering is the process of removing unnecessary items from an overcrowded space. This step is fundamental because it helps to free up space and creates a serene environment. Start by evaluating each item in your home. Ask yourself, does this item serve a purpose? Does it bring me joy? If the answer is no, it might be time to part ways with it. After decluttering, the next step is categorizing. This means grouping similar items together. Categorizing makes it easier to locate items when you need them. Think of categories that make sense to you. For instance, you might have categories like books, kitchen utensils, clothes, and tools. Remember, the goal is to create a system that works for you. Now, let's talk about assigning a place for everything. This is the stage where you decide where each item belongs. The golden rule here is to store items where they are used most frequently. For example, store your pots and pans near the stove and your towels near the bathroom. By doing so, you're making your life easier and your home more functional. Finally, we arrive at maintaining the organization. This is the continuous process of returning items to their designated places after use. It's just as important as the initial organization because it's what keeps your home organized in the long run. Try to make it a habit to put things back where they belong immediately after using them. It might take some getting used to, but the payoff is a neat and tidy home. With these steps, you're well on your way to a more organized, functional home. Remember, the journey to a clutter-free home is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and persistence. But with these steps in mind, you're well equipped to conquer the chaos and create a home that truly serves you. So, are you ready to transform your space into a haven of order and tranquility? Remember, home organization isn't a one-time event. It's a lifestyle. It's not about conducting a mad rush to declutter once in a blue moon. Instead, it's about making small, consistent efforts every day. It's about instilling habits that keep your spaces tidy and your life stress-free. Now imagine the power if everyone in your household got on board with this lifestyle. The synergy of collective effort can make your home organization journey not just easier, but also enjoyable. It transforms a chore into a bonding activity, a source of shared achievement. Involving the whole family also means everyone gets a say in how their home functions. This inclusivity can lead to creative solutions, making your home a truly personalized space. So, are you ready to transform your home into a functional haven? What's the first step you're going to take towards a more organized home? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on home organization. Check out my next video that YouTube suggests, and I'll see you on the other side.